letter A. Say A. A! As in apple. Repeat after me. Say A. A! As in apple. Now, let's move on to the letter B.
B. B. B.
B as in ball. Repeat after me.
B. B. B.
Ball. Say C. Like in cat. Repeat after me. C. Like in cat. Now, let's move on to the letter D.
D. D. D.
Dog. Repeat after me.
D. D. D.
Dog. E sounds like
E. E. E.
elephant. Repeat after me.
E. E. E.
Elephant. F sounds like as in fish. Repeat after me. As in fish. G sounds like
G. G. G.
as in guitar. Repeat after me.
G. G.
In guitar. H sounds like as in hat. Repeat after me. Hat. I sounds like
I. I. I.
as in igloo. Repeat after me.
I. I. I.
An igloo. J sounds like
J. J. J.
as in jump. Repeat after me.
J. J.
Jump. K sounds like as in kite. Repeat after me. Kite. L sounds like as in lion. Repeat after me. Lion. M sounds like monkey. Repeat after me. Monkey. N sounds like as in nose. Repeat after me. Nose. O sounds like as in octopus. Repeat after me. An octopus. P sounds like panda. Repeat after me. Panda. Q sounds queen. Repeat after me. Queen. R sounds like and rabbit. Repeat after me. Rabbit. S sounds like sun. Repeat after me. Sun. T sounds like and turtle. Repeat after me. Turtle. U sounds like umbrella. Repeat after me. Umbrella. V sounds like violin. Repeat after me. Violin. W sounds like watermelon. Repeat after me. Watermelon. X sounds like fox. Repeat after me. Fox. Y sounds like yellow. Repeat after me. Yellow. Z sounds like Z as in zebra. Repeat after me. Z as in zebra. Awesome job, everyone! You have learned the sounds of many letters. Remember, you can use these sounds to read, write, and pronounce words. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be reading like pros.
In the ocean deep where the waters sway, they're live creatures in colors that brighten up your day. From dolphins to turtles and whales are so grand. Let's sing about water animals, hand in hand. Swim along with me in a world so free, where water animals play and dance under the sea. From the smallest clownfish to the mighty shark, let's learn about them all, let's make our mark. First up we have the playful dolphins, so smart, leaping and diving. They surely steal our hearts, their clicks and whistles, a language all their own. In their underwater kingdom, they've fully grown. Swim along with me in a world so free, where water animals play and dance under the sea. From the smallest clownfish to the mighty shark, let's learn about them all, let's make our mark. Look there, it's the graceful sea turtle, oh so serene, with a strong shell on its back. It's a sight to be seen. From sandy beaches to coral reefs they roam, protecting their homes as they quietly go. Swim along with me in a world so free, where water animals play and dance under the sea. From the smallest clownfish to the mighty shark, let's learn about them all, let's make our mark. So let's dive into the wonders of the deep blue